Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Heather, and today we're diving into stunning tree branch furniture design ideas. Stay tuned as we explore these unique and functional pieces that bring a touch of nature into your home. Let's get started. I love how this living room incorporates a tree branch as a light fixture, adding a natural and rustic element to the modern space. The branch's organic shape contrasts beautifully with the clean lines of the furniture and the black accent wall. The functionality of the space is enhanced by the large window seat that doubles as a workspace, making it perfect for multitasking. The open shelving provides ample storage and keeps the room organized. However, I would add a cozy area rug to define the seating area and introduce more texture. A few more plants could also bring additional warmth and life into the room. This bedroom's use of tree branches to create a canopy effect is absolutely enchanting. The natural elements bring a serene, woodland feel to the space, complementing the soft blue walls and white bedding. I appreciate the cozy reading nook by the windows, which lets in ample natural light. The woven basket light fixture adds a rustic charm, tying the natural theme together. However, I would replace the current drapes with sheer, floor-length curtains to enhance the room's height and elegance. Adding a pop of color through throw pillows or a small rug could also provide a bit more visual interest and warmth. I love this cozy corner. The rustic charm of the end table, made from cut wood pieces, adds a natural, earthy touch to the room. It's a perfect blend of functionality and style, serving as a sturdy surface for my coffee, books, and decor. The white rocking chair with a navy cushion creates a serene, inviting atmosphere, ideal for relaxation. If I could change anything, I might add a small area rug to anchor the space and introduce a pop of color. This would add warmth and make the area feel even cozier. Overall, this setup is both practical and aesthetically pleasing. This outdoor seating area is vibrant and inviting. The black furniture with red cushions creates a striking contrast, adding a bold touch to the space. I love the unique touch of the red lanterns hanging from the branch, giving the area a festive, whimsical feel. The wooden fence provides privacy, making it a cozy retreat. If I were to improve anything, I'd add a few more colorful plants or flowers to enhance the natural vibe and perhaps an outdoor rug to tie everything together and add comfort underfoot. Overall, this setup is both stylish and functional, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. This minimalist workspace is charming in its simplicity. The desk, with its rustic wooden legs and whitewashed top, offers a unique, handmade feel that I adore. The white chair complements the desk nicely, keeping the color palette light and airy. The globe and small plants add personality and a touch of greenery, which makes the space feel more alive. If I were to tweak anything, I'd add a small, colorful desk lamp to provide better lighting and a bit of visual interest. Overall, this setup is functional and serene, perfect for focused work or study sessions. I love this natural-looking cat tree. The design, with its wooden branches and stone base, blends beautifully with the outdoor view, creating a seamless connection with nature. My cat looks so content perched on the plush platform, which is at an ideal height for birdwatching. The greenery wrapped around the branches adds a refreshing touch. If I could enhance this setup, I'd add a hanging toy or two for extra entertainment and perhaps a sisal scratching post to keep my cat's claws in check. This cat tree is both a stylish and functional addition to my home, providing a perfect spot for my cat to relax and play. I find this living room incredibly calming and inviting. The neutral color palette with beige and cream tones creates a serene atmosphere. I love the simplicity of the wooden coffee table, crafted from a tree branch, which adds warmth and a touch of nature. The soft plush rug underfoot makes the space feel cozy. The mix of throw pillows adds subtle texture without overwhelming the space. If I could change anything, I'd add a pop of color with a throw blanket or an accent pillow to create a focal point. This room is both functional and stylish, perfect for relaxing or entertaining guests. I adore the rustic charm of this kitchen. The centerpiece is undoubtedly the table made from a tree branch, adding a natural, earthy element to the modern white cabinetry. It's perfect for meal prep or casual dining. The dark hardwood floors provide a beautiful contrast, grounding the bright, airy space. The open shelving displays plants and kitchen essentials, making the room feel both functional and inviting. If I could enhance anything, I'd add a colorful rug under the table to introduce warmth and a pop of color. This kitchen strikes a perfect balance between rustic and contemporary styles, making it a delightful place to cook and gather. I love the warm and inviting feel of this entryway. The wooden bench, crafted from a tree branch, adds a rustic charm that complements the wooden front door beautifully. The large round mirror creates an illusion of more space and reflects light, making the area brighter. The table decor, including the lamp and plants, adds a touch of coziness and functionality. The woven basket underneath provides convenient storage. If I could improve anything, I'd add a small piece of artwork or a colorful vase for a bit more personality and vibrancy. This entryway is both practical and stylish, welcoming guests with a touch of rustic elegance. I absolutely adore this bedroom's serene and cozy vibe. The soft color palette with pastel pinks and blues creates a calm, restful atmosphere. The bench at the foot of the bed, made from a tree branch, adds a natural, rustic element that I love. The plush rug underfoot makes the space feel warm and inviting. The bedside tables and lamps provide practical lighting and storage, while the greenery in the corner adds a refreshing touch of nature. If I could change anything, I'd add a statement piece of artwork above the bed to add a focal point and inject a bit more personality into the room. This bedroom is a perfect blend of comfort and style. I find this lamp incredibly unique and charming. The design, featuring a tree branch as the base, adds a rustic, organic touch that I really appreciate. The exposed bulb hanging from the branch gives it a modern, industrial feel, which contrasts nicely with the natural elements. The small plant beside the lamp brings in a fresh green vibe, while the stack of books adds a cozy, lived-in look. If I were to change anything, I might add a decorative lampshade to soften the light and create a warmer ambiance. Overall, this lamp is a beautiful blend of nature and modern design, making it a standout piece in any room. I'm captivated by the rustic charm of these handmade wooden chairs. The craftsmanship, using natural branches, gives each piece a unique, organic look that I love. They add a touch of nature indoors, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. The solid wood construction feels sturdy and reliable, perfect for a cozy nook or a rustic-themed room. The wreath on the wooden door behind them enhances the natural, homey vibe of the space. If I could change anything, I'd add some cushions or throws to the chairs for added comfort and a pop of color. These chairs are both functional and beautiful, making them a standout feature in any room. I love the simplicity and elegance of this dining area. The long wooden table with its sturdy white legs is both functional and inviting, perfect for family meals or gatherings. The bench, crafted from a tree branch, adds a rustic, natural touch that contrasts nicely with the modern white chairs. The pendant light overhead provides focused illumination, enhancing the cozy ambiance. The table centerpiece, with its natural elements, adds a bit of freshness to the setting. The artwork on the wall adds a splash of color and visual interest. If I could improve anything, I'd add a colorful rug underneath to anchor the space and introduce more warmth. This dining area beautifully blends rustic charm and modern style. I find this bedroom cozy and unique. The headboard, crafted from a tree branch, adds a natural, rustic touch that sets the tone for the room. The soft green wall behind the bed creates a calming atmosphere, perfect for relaxation. I love the minimalist pendant lights hanging on either side. They provide focused lighting and add a modern touch. The mix of white and navy bedding looks inviting and adds a nice contrast. If I could improve anything, I'd add some artwork or a statement piece above the headboard to bring more character to the space. Overall, this bedroom is a serene and stylish retreat. I love the earthy, natural feel of this living room. The chair, crafted from a tree branch, adds a rustic charm that ties the room together beautifully. The woven rug and wooden furniture create a warm, inviting atmosphere. The large cabinet and pottery display add a touch of elegance and functionality, providing ample storage and visual interest. The greenery and natural light from the window make the space feel fresh and lively. If I could enhance anything, I'd add some colorful throw pillows or a cozy blanket on the sofa to introduce more warmth and personality. This living room is a perfect blend of comfort and style, ideal for both relaxation and entertaining. I hope you enjoyed exploring these unique and cozy decor ideas with me. From rustic touches to modern elements, each space offers inspiration for creating a warm and inviting home. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home design tips and ideas. See you next time.